How to turn off sensitive content filter on X on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to x.com. You are now in the X homepage. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, go to Privacy and Safety. And then, go to Content you see. You can decide what you see on X based on your preferences like topics and interests. Here, tick the Display Media that may contain sensitive content box. Then, go to Search Settings. Over here, untick the Hide Sensitive Content box. This prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. Following these steps, you can easily turn off sensitive content filter on X on iPhone.